Hi student, today we discuss double fertilization, triple fusion. What is the meaning of double fertilization and triple fusion? That means two-time fertilization is take place and three cells are fused. That is called double fertilization. Given by Navaschin. Navaschin is a scientist who given this phenomena. So we see this figure. So that is a structure of carpel or pistil where pollen tube are entered into the stigma and pollen tube are germinated and reached by the micropyle to the ovule. So that is a ovule structure, that is a ovary. Inside the ovary ovule is present. We are previously discussed. So ovule containing egg cell. So there is a two male gamete. First male gamete which fertilized with the egg cell. So first male gamete fertilized egg cell, that is called first fertilization. After fertilization, this egg cell developed into the zygote. That means diploid zygote. After fertilization, zygote is formed. Zygote is diploid. What is mean of diploid? That is 2n. Number of chromosome is similar to the parent. So this zygote further divided by the mitosis and formed embryo. So inside the seed, embryo is present. That is a very important. That is first fertilization. Then second male gamete are fused with polar nuclei. Second male gamete fused with polar nuclei and they are fused together and form pen. Primary endosperm nucleus. Very important. What is formed? Primary endosperm nucleus. That is 3n, triploid in nature, because 3 haploid cells are fused. So that is called double fertilization and triple fusion. Very important. Then after this pen is further developed into the endosperm. What is formed? Endosperm. We discussed previously, endosperm provide nourishment to the growing embryo. There is embryo, so which provide nourishment? Endosperm. Another we move. After fertilization, we discuss egg cell form the zygote, further developed into embryo, polar nuclei formed endosperm, ovary developed into the fruit, and ovule developed into the seed. So that is a step. Inside fruit there is a seed, inside the seed there is a embryo and there is a endosperm. All correct? And these antipodal cell and synergids are degenerate, they having no function after the fertilization. So very important. Next we move some important terms like pericarp. Pericarp, very important. When wall of ovary developed into the wall of fruit, that is called pericarp. What is called? Pericarp. Very important. Next word, perisperm. What is perisperm? When nucellus, there is a nucellus in the ovule. When nucellus remain in the endosperm. When nucellus remain in the endosperm, that is called perisperm. Next word we move. False fruit and true fruit. What is false and true fruit? True fruits are those fruits which are developed from the ovary. These fruits are called true fruit. Those fruit which are developed from the other parts rather than ovary, like thalamus, that is called false fruit. Like apple and cashew nut, they are comes under false fruit, and they are true fruit which are developed from the ovary. Another word, parthenocarpy. What is parthenocarpy? Generally we see that the parthenocarpy is the formation of fruit without fertilization. As usually fruit is formed after fertilization from the ovary, but in parthenocarpy formation of fruit without fertilization. That means